Hi guys! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a vase in SeIfCAD for 3D printing. To begin, go to the Shape Generator. As you can see, there are multiple settings. Bottom radius basically changes the radius of the bottom of the segment, and then there's the top radius, and the fill setting. The angle basically defines the arc's length, and also has the fill setting. Then we have the number of edges, which allows you to make the shape smoother. Then there's the height of the segment. Position offset defines the distance between the segments. You can see that it's disabled now, and this is because we only have one segment. So I'll add another one. I'm changing the position offset, and at this point it's not very clear what's happening. But if I change the number of edges to 14, for example, you can see the difference position offset makes. Offset smoothness makes the transition between the segments smoother. Bevel offset adds the convexity and concavity to the shape. Once you add the offset, you see the other settings over here. The bevel level sets the smoothness and basically splits the polygons. The bevel weight allows you to drag those polygons up and down. When you're done, just click the Finalize Shape button. The Shape Generator is really great for creating printable shapes. Let me show you what it can do. This gives me a finished vase, but I'll add a few more changes to it. Taper narrows or widens the shape according to the origin. And you can set either top, middle, or bottom. Okay, this looks good. And also I will twist the shape a little. So now our model is ready for printing, so I simply download it as an STL. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.